Hello everyone, welcome to Amreen's Easy Recipes. Today I'll be showing you how to make an easy, delicious bread pudding that you can make. To make the bread pudding, you will need milk, sugar, bread, eggs, vanilla essence, apples, butter, and evaporated milk. Okay, let's get started. So first, here I have 4 cups of diced thick bread. You can use any thick bread of your choice. Next, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of butter onto the bread. Now I'm going to put this to the side. Next, I'm going to make the custard. To make the custard, I'm going to crack 2 eggs into a measuring cup and whisk. Then I'm going to add 1.5 cups of milk and 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. I'm going to whisk this thoroughly. Next, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and whisk thoroughly. Now the custard is ready. I'm going to pour the custard into the bread and let it soak for 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to slice some apples for the bread pudding, and I'm going to grease the baking dish for the bread pudding. Now I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. 15 minutes has passed, so now I'm going to pour the bread pudding mixture into the pie dish. Now I'm going to spread this out evenly. For the final touch, I'm going to add some apple and sprinkle some brown sugar. The oven is preheated. I'm going to put this in the oven for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I took this out of the oven. I'm going to check it with a toothpick. The toothpick came out dry, which means I can cool it now. And voila! We have our bread pudding. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!